Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to share with you my personal vlogging setup with this Insta360 1R 1-inch Leica Mode. And on YouTube right now, there's not so many videos focused on the 1-inch Leica Mode and vlogging setup. And by some trials and errors, I do have the personal secret behind this 1-inch Leica Mode vlogging setup. And for this 1-inch Leica Mode, this is one of the best choice for my tricky behind-the-scenes video series. This might be the best choice for me to shoot the tricky behind-the-scenes movie series, as you can find here, considering its size, weight, and imaging quality. I really appreciate the imaging quality from this tiny little body and with this flow state stabilization. But vlogging with this Insta360 1R 1-inch Leica Mode do have three major problems. The number one is the focal distance. The number two is the sound quality. And number three is the cold shoe mount. I'm very happy to tell you that I have solved all these problems in my setup. My name is Yujun Guo, 360 photography lover and specialized in one-shot 360 photography. If you want to master your one-shot 360 camera beyond professional, this channel was made for you. Okay, now back to this vlogging setup. Now let's take a brief look at my setup. This is a GoPro 3-way handle that help you vlog with setup, and I will show later on. And this is a camera, and I put the screen on the front so that I can see myself every time I'm vlogging with this camera. And I also use this Type-C to microphone adapter, officially released by the Insta360. These are the Blink 500 transceiver receiver. This is a wireless lavalier microphone system. And for the best sound quality, I recommend to use the transmitter with this lavalier microphone for the best sound quality. And this is all my setup. But if you want to have a very quick mount system, you can consider to have the Ulanzi quick mount system. With this Ulanzi quick mount system, you can quickly mount and next, I'm gonna tell you how did I overcome these three problems. Number one, the focal distance. As we know that from other reviewer on the YouTube channel, we can clearly see that the Insta360 1R 1-inch Leica Mode cannot take the crystal clear and sharp image within 17 centimeters. So 17 centimeters is a very long distance. It's even longer than my arm. So if I vlogging directly with my arm and look towards this lens, I'm not getting a crystal sharp image of my face. Shooting with this position is a little bit weird. And considering this wide field of view, so that is not good for me. So I choose the GoPro 3-way mount. This is a very good accessory that was designed for the GoPro sport action camera. And you can see you can bend this mount like this, and you can extend your arm by a length of around 20 centimeters, which is way good enough for you to capture your face very clear and sharp in focus. This accessory is very interesting because it also has a hidden tripod on the bottom, you can see here. And if you take it out and rotate it back, and you can also put it on your desk like this. Okay, so it's very portable like this. It's like a cage, right? You can put the camera here and run in with the setup, and it will be very stable. And this is not an official GoPro accessory. It was sold by a third-party company, okay? And you can find it on the internet very easy. We do need some time to put our camera on the top. And with the Ulanzi quick release mount, I can attach and detach the system very easily because it has a magnetic base and you can stick around very easily. And if you put this magnetic base with your Insta360 1R, and now you can go back and forth with different camera positions very easily. And this is a 1/4-inch mount. I can put, yes, you can see that, rotate, and it's solid stable. Take it back and take it to the magnetic base. and like this. And this is how I overcome the focal range distance. And I do hope that the Insta360 could consider to release attached lens in front of the Leica Mode to make your focal distance within the normal position for the vloggers. I will fold it, the three-way handle, you can vlog like this. And for the sound quality, I have to admit that with the latest update of the camera firmware 1.1.16, the internal sound quality does improve a lot. So if you didn't choose an external microphone, I think the sound quality, especially when you're vlogging with the vocal enhanced daily mode, you can have a much better sound quality compared with its predecessors. But it's still not good enough, because when you're vlogging with camera, you will hear some the juggling, some very weird sound from this plastic cage. And judging from the latest review of the creator app, Ho, the wireless microphone system with the Type-C mount is the best possible choice for you to have the best sound quality. And personally, I agree with his conclusion. And I have made dozens of experiments on the sound test for this camera. And I do agree with Creator App's conclusion for the wireless lavalier microphone system working together with a microphone adapter. If you want to have the best sound quality, just grab a wireless microphone system, such as the Blink 500 or the Rode Wireless Go. Now we have solved the sound problem. Number 3 is the corkscrew mount problem. We have to attach this receiver to some part of the cage. And you don't have to buy the new cage released by Insta360 with a corkscrew mount on the top. We do have many very good solutions. One of them is to use a glue on the back, like this. We use this accessory to organize our charging cables on the desk in my daily life. And I put this on the side so that you can see now we have a very interesting mount for the Blink 500 receiver. And if we put this like this, you can see that to put a Type-C connector on the left, and to put the cable here, and it will not be captured by the lens. And if you are afraid of this sound for the cable, you can do like this, rotate around and put this TRS socket in the line out. And now this setup will be very good, okay? And you can vlog with this setup without capturing this microphone system. That is all my vlogging setup with the Insta360 1R 1-inch Leica Mode, and how I overcome these 3 problems while vlogging with this 1-inch Leica Mode. Hi, this is a vlogging test with the Insta360 1R 1-inch Leica Mode together with Blink 500 Wireless Lavalier Microphone System together with the microphone adapter. And you can see the sound quality, and I think it's much better than compared with my previous tricky behind-the-scenes movie series. And in the future, I will record more of the tricky behind-the-scenes movie series with this setup with better sound quality for you guys, and to show you the more of the shooting stories for myself. Now I'm vlogging with the Insta360 1R 1-inch Leica Mode with the internal microphone, and I turn on the vocal enhanced daily mode, and you can see the sound quality is also very good compared with the Blink 500. But now I'm recording in my YouTube studio, so the environment is very quiet. If you like it, please thumb up, subscribe, and hit notification bell. I will see you in my next video. Bye.